Hello, my name is Steve Guettermann and welcome once again to my treehouse studio in Bozeman, Montana. According to many, we are in a Pachakuti, a time of world reversal when drastic change and upheaval turn over the existing paradigm. It is a rite of passage for the earth and all life on earth, and this alone is a testimony to our interconnectedness. This time offers us a chance to reflect, to wonder, to create, to recreate, to heal, to question, to choose a course of action that turns with the reversal rather than against it. Despite the disruption, it can lead to a more whole or all-encompassing world and worldview. Of course, we can choose to do none of this and deny or resist that anything or anything of value is happening at all. Whether we are in a Pachakuti or not, there are ways to use our interconnectedness to be in a constant state of optimal creation and becoming. The question is, how? Virtually every one of the planet's processes is a purification. From volcanoes, earthquakes, hurricanes, fires, floods, and droughts, from ocean tides to rock slides, from animal migrations to predator-prey relationships, to the change of the seasons and everything enveloped in those, everything is a purification through a redistribution of energy and materials throughout the web of life. Nothing is wasted. Materials just change their relationship in form, consciousness, space, and time. But there seem to be two main problems with human activity. One, it holds on to too much, and two, much of what it lets go can't be easily used by something else. These two things disrupt our interconnectedness with the web of life, which disrupts the entire web of life because human activity is not in a constant state of purification. Hence, it is not in right relationship. And this has brought on the Pachakuti. Now, right relationship isn't going to happen overnight, but we do have a powerful shortcut if we choose to use it. It's love. Love is often called the greatest force in the universe. I agree. So to maximize it, especially in this time of Pachakuti, we can harness the love of the planet for herself, for us, and for all life, and combine that with our love for all we truly love. This will begin to repair any shreds in the web of life humankind has created through a lack of connection, through an absence of purification. And in this case, purification simply means that we live in a way that doesn't come at the inordinate expense of everything else. Rather, how we live restores rather than depletes. If we can agree that love makes the world go round, and we are in this time of Pachakuti, world reversal, because love is not being allowed to make the world go round, then the Pachakuti is intended to reverse that and restore us to sustainable purification through right relationship for all life. That's the kind of love the planet has. So that's the kind of love we should have. It's the highest form of biomimicry and may give us the best chance to use this time of turmoil to restore ourselves and the planet. Thanks again for listening. You can post your comments below or email me at migratoryanimal@gmail.com and I'll get back with you as soon as I can. As always, peace and love.